are able to survive.
They are getting basic needs.
What are the
At the
basic
same
needs?
time they are selling.
Like food, and you should have a lot of, like you should have a small house, not a that much a
Roti,
luxury house.
shelter,
and
what
the
shelter?
Food, cloth and shelter
Shelter,
is the
yeah,
basic need.
basically.
So
There are the beggars who actually get the things which he gets, which they actually get from the begging, and they just don't use that thing, and they just sell in the markets.
Yes.
After they get money, so
Yes.
that money they use
In
it
spite
for
of
their family.
in spite of doing this, he can or she can get he or she can get the job, and can earn money.
They have a mind to
And,
sell this thing, but they have no
there
mind to
is
sell the
lack of
money, to
employment.
earn the money.
No.
jobs opportunity in India. At the current time, a BTech holder and MBA holder is not getting a job, and you are saying that a person who didn't, a illiterate person can get job, and also you say that a person who don't have his two hand, and there are also many people who don't have sufficient money to fill the form.
I have a question, simple. BTech and MTech people, why they are not getting the job? And job and begging is different, first of all.
Yeah.
Don't include that.
Yeah.
Okay?
Even
And
the
why they are
people
not
who have passed out
getting
BTech from
why they are
IIT
not getting the job?
are
My
working
question is
in
simple.
I have a question.
Listen,
I have answer.
But my simple question is
I
that
have
why they are
answer.
not getting the job?
I have answer.
Why they are not getting the
I
job?
have answer.
Yeah,
Listen
yeah,
to me, bro. I have
Tell me,
answer.
tell me.
Like why they are not getting it is because of they are not providing such type of knowledge that is needed nowadays.
No, they are not
Who is
getting
not
that kind
providing?
of
Who is
that
not
much
providing?
knowledge.
IIT is not providing. MIT is not providing.
They are providing.
Listen,
they are
listen.
getting the
So
work.
even after completing
BTech from IIT,
Listen,
IIT Bombay,
those students who
principal
pass-
IIT Bombay,
they are not learning. That is their fault,
But
not
this
the
is the
institute
other
fault.
problem, right?
And they are not getting job. That is
There is also part of institution. bro.
no,
You need to
never,
understand. You need to
never.
understand.
You cannot say that.
Because
People is learning from the online. They are getting the job.
it is
Where is the issue?
according
A
to-
person
according to
invests
statistics.
2 or 3 lakh, and
Listen,
he is getting a job of only 5,000 and 6,000.
That
That
is
is
the
the
advantage
problem
of
of
that
person.
job.
That is the problem of person.
That is the problem of the person.
from the
You have to
Listen,
invest a lot amount of money to get
listen,
in a low
listen,
low
if you have
classes
a
over
job,
there, even from the same institution, people are getting packages of lakhs, 25 lakhs, 50 lakhs
yes,
per annum.
yes,
And if someone is not getting job, so it's not a fault of that
yes.
institution.
They can also bring it on.
Many students are coming here in English
Listen,
mania.
listen.
Everyone is not able to speak English.
Yes.
Everyone is not able to present presentations fluently. So it's not a fault of English mania.
According
Should
to
the
Okay.
people understand the condition of beggars or not? I mean, in what condition are they? Nobody knows that.
Yes, sir. We are.
She has to say yes.
We should give the arms to the needy ones, like who are physically disabled,
Yes.
who are children who can't work, like
Yes.
they are toddlers,
Hmm.
and even the person who in their old age.
Sometimes they may not be, like some are physically disabled, some are mentally
Sir,
disabled.
sir, once
But if they are able and we can give them temporary help, then
like
At least they can
like
survive.
food,
like food.
like
Intimate.
food, like
Immediate
small
relief.
help, like the
Immediate
foster
relief.
care.
Immediate.
So, sir, once what happened with me, I was at Holygate.
Support. Tell everybody.
So, a old lady came to me
Hmm.
and she said to me,
Hmm.
please give me something. कोई भगवान के नाम पे ये as they say.
By the name of God or by the yes.
So I asked her, why are you begging like this? Then she said, I don't have anyone.
don't touch.
I
yes.
don't have anyone in my family,
Hmm.
and I have 4 grandsons,
Hmm.
and my boy is very ill,
Hmm.
and he is not able to earn. He is on bed. So I asked, what do you want now?
Hmm.
So she said to me, she didn't ask for money.
Hmm.
She said to me, I want flour only.
Okay.
If you will provide me for flour, I will be able to prepare food. Actually, we are hungry for days.
Hmm.
Okay. So I went to a shop and I purchased 10 kg of flour.
Spellings are different. Pronunciation is
So
also.
sir, I bought 10 kgs of flour and I gave that to the lady.
Hmm.
And actually, I forgot to get my change back.
Hmm.
After coming to that Gurudwara,
Hmm.
I got back to that shop and that lady was returning that flour to that shopkeeper, and that shopkeeper was giving her money.
It means she was telling that.
So what can you call this?
Yes, she has to reply. Yeah.
Some beggars are like that and some are not.
The ratio is more.
Everybody is not the same.
That was
The
only
ratios
same.
of this type of beggar are ratios more
No,
than
Not more. You can. You can't say
But
that
why
there
did
is
you
more
give-
fake
Yes.
beggars.
Can you say not more? He can't say more are like that. Can you say not more?
No, but
Then
you also not say na.
Several times the beggars
Without
have
the
to,
perfect data,
several times
so
the
you can't
beggars,
interrupt without perfect.
several times the beggars have to manipulate just because na people say, I will give you a stuffed item but not money. So that's why they have to manipulate.
Yes, sir.
Like that. See, as you told me, that lady was selling a flower to that shop because they know that many people, it is the mentality because they need money more than the stuff. But what do many people do? They will give the stuff. Then why would the beggar kick it off? Then beggars actually have to plan or they have to manipulate. Then they actually sell it and get the money. So that is, I mean, something that everybody does like that. And a lady, as I told you, came to me and said, because I came to this Govardhan Parikrama, lost my money, like that. And I know she was fooling because after just 1 month, she was fooling us. After 1 month, she again came to us, right? So I understood she was literally fooling. You also know that, right? So actually, then I understood that lady was not absolutely wrong because many people, otherwise, let's say if she doesn't lie, then why would somebody give 300 rupees, 200 rupees to her, right? That is why whenever she comes to me, although I do not give her 200 rupees, 300 rupees, she expects much, but I give 10 or 20 rupees, right? Because I know that she was not absolutely wrong. Because otherwise, why would people give if she speaks the truth? If she speaks the truth and says, I need 200 rupees, please give me, then nobody would give. And what if she really needs 200 rupees? That is the question.
Then sir, she can do work and she can earn. Everyone
Sir,
needs money. I also need money. I
Every
also.
sir, every beggar should have self-esteemness.
Self-esteem.
Self-esteem. Sir, because
Do you have
immediately
self-esteem?
sir,
compulsory.
if I have
So it means if you will beg, then you can get money easily, sufficient money easily and immediately.
Yes.
For
sir,
immediate use.
For immediate use.
For immediate
Yes,
use.
If they are in a crisis or in a desperate need.
But it is not a permanent profession.
Also, we are not saying it is.
But people are making it profession.
Also, they are making, so you have.
Many
you
beggars,
have the
many beggars were
responsibility, na?
found who was
Who to give
millionaire,
or
millionaire, like that.
Yes sir. In
Many
Kashi.
beggars,
In Kashi.
beggars actually dodged. Like
Yes.
whenever they are, they plan that today I will go in a Muslim locality, so they will wear the same attire as a Muslim wear. And
And when they will
if
go
they are,
Hindus.
They are
They are
in
going-
disguise. They are in
Yeah,
disguise. They are in disguise.
Sir,
yeah,
Of
they
a
know how
Muslim.
to dodge. Yeah,
How to
Sir,
know
what-
this?
yeah.